push-ups targets most of the area in our body. But what if I told you that push-ups can take you to a different league? Well, we will talk about that later, but first we have to understand what push-ups targets and what are its benefits. And yes, I will tell you one thing about push-ups that will shock you to the core. So if you will skip the video, it will be your mistake. Then don't blame me. The fact is that push-up targets 80% of the upper body, which includes arms, chest, wings and all. It is the best exercise to increase the endurance levels. But push-ups can do more than you think. Well, do you know what other thing can do more than you think? The subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click it and like our video. As you lower your body to the floor and the familiar burn begins to encompass your muscles, the last thing you are thinking about is the number of muscles you are using. However, this is one of the top benefits of push-ups. As you engage in this exercise, literally every major muscle in your body is called upon to execute the movement. Have you ever wondered why a standard bench press is so easy when compared to a standard push-up? Here is why. Major muscle groups such as your biceps, core muscles, triceps, anterior deltoids and lower body muscle groups are activated to support your body while stabilizing your movements. It's a classified A compound exercise, meaning multiple muscle groups are called upon. You train the most important muscles throughout your body. But it's not all. Now you will say, what? Yes, there are some underrated benefits as well. One of the most underrated benefits of doing push-ups is the stretch it provides to your biceps and back muscles. As you lower yourself to the floor, your back muscles are effectively stretched, and as you push yourself to the starting position, your biceps obtain a full stretch. This not only improves your flexibility, which helps prevent injuries, but a well-stretched muscles features a solid and attractive appearance. Now we know it's great for flexibility and stretching, but exercise is good for your health also, and push-ups can do some magic. As stated earlier, push-ups are classified as a compound exercise as it calls upon multiple muscle groups. When you simultaneously engage large muscle groups, your heart must work harder to deliver oxygen-rich blood to muscle tissue. Ultimately, this activity results in an effective cardiovascular exercise which supports heart health and promotes the reduction of stored body fat. But I may warn you, push-ups can also do bad to your body if you have incomplete knowledge about it. And I mean it. So watch till end. One of the most debilitating and common injuries for older individuals is a rotator cuff injury. While the severity of this injury is based upon a host of unique circumstances, protecting this delicate part of your body must become a priority. I told you before that push-ups can do some magic. Here is why. The standard push-up has been found to be among the most effective ways to safeguard your shoulder joints from injury, especially in older adults, because push-ups call upon stabilizing muscles which surround the rotator cuff joint. This area of the body is strengthened and conditioned for dynamic movements. By supporting the strength and health of primary and secondary shoulder muscles, the likelihood of debilitating injuries significantly lowers. But wait a second, there is a special hormone in our body. Push-up can release that specific hormone. But what is that hormone? Throughout the movement of a push-up, you recruit a wide array of primary and stabilizing muscles. The more muscle mass that's utilized in a strength training exercise, the greater the production and release of a specialized hormone known as HGH or human growth hormone. Now, what is a human growth hormone? This specialized hormone supports the natural growth of your entire body. As you age, the natural release of HGH declines, which makes building muscle a challenging task for older adults. So if you are of any age, push-ups will do more than fine to you. Well, I have just thrown some amazing facts on you, And I know that you care about your health. So I can say that if you subscribe to this channel, you will get all the information you can. We are all about the health. So just hit that subscribe button and make your life amazing.